If you want to do internal insulation on your old buildings, you want to know whether this is going to be safe. Is it moisture safe? Is there any risk for mold growth or anything like that? But often as a building owner, you only know whether it's red or yellow brick, and you might have to take out the bricks and determine what are the actual material properties, because you want to do hygrothermal simulations to predict the performance of the internal insulation. And to do correct simulations, you need the different parameters. You can do that in different ways. You can send the bricks to a laboratory who will determine all the relevant parameters, or you can also try to do something at home. It will not be as precise as the other one, but it will at least help you to know a little more than just it's a red brick or it's a yellow brick. Knowing the material properties for the wall is not enough. Of course, you need to know the material properties for the insulation material that you might want to apply. But these properties you can probably get directly from the producer, so you can use it in your hygrothermal simulations.